Good morning, grade 10. Let's see question 6 from problem set 6. Problem set 3. Sixth question is, if sum of third and 8th terms of an AP is 7 and sum of 7th and 14th terms is minus 3, then find the 10th term. So just use the given information, form two simultaneous equations and solve them to get A and D, and then substitute using formula for T10 and find out the 10th term. That is what we do every time. So let's use the information which has been given. You have T3 plus T7, 8 is equal to 7 and T7 plus T14 is equal to minus 3. We have to find T10. What is our formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So n's place is taken by 3. So T3 is A plus 2D because n minus 1 will be 3 minus 1 which is 2. Similarly, T8 will be A plus 7D. Now T3 plus T8 is given as 7. So A plus 2D plus A plus 7D will be equal to 7. Add up this. 1A plus 1A is 2A and 2 plus 7 is 9D. So 2A plus 9D is equal to 7 is your first equation. Similarly, you have to find for T7 plus T14. What is T7? A plus 6D. Similarly, T14 will be A plus 13D. Now, T7 plus T14 is equal to minus 3. So, we have A plus 6D plus A plus 13D is equal to minus 3. Again, 1A plus 1A gives 2A. 6 plus 13 is 19D. So, 2A plus 19D will be equal to minus 3. This is first equation and this is second equation. Subtract 1 minus 2 or you can do 2 minus 1, doesn't matter. So first equation is 2A plus 9D is equal to 7 minus the whole second equation. That is 2A plus 19D is equal to minus 3. Because of this minus sign, all these signs are going to change. So you have 2A minus 2A will be 0. So I have not written here anything. 9D minus 19D will be minus 10D. And 7 plus 3 will be 10. So D is obviously 10 upon minus 10 which is equal to minus 1. Now substitute this value of D in any one of this equation, either in first equation or in second equation, and you get what is E. So I have substituted in equation 1, that is 2A plus 9D is equal to 7. Here I am writing minus 1 because D we got as minus 1. So 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. So we have 2A minus 9 equal to 7. So 2A will be equal to 9 plus 7 which is 16. So A will be 16 by 2 which is equal to 8. Now we have A, we have D, we can find T10. What is formula? T10. Again, Tn is what? Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. So T10 will be A plus 9D. Alright. So T10 will be equal to A is how much? A we got here as 8. Mind well, this is 8. This is A. Okay. And this is 9. Okay, so A is 8 plus 9 into minus 1. So 8 minus 1. So what will be T1? T10. T10 is equal to minus 1. Is this clear? Alright. So let's go to the seventh problem now. In an AP, the first term is minus 5. So we have written here A is equal to minus 5. A means T1, first term. And last term is 45. So Tn is equal to 45. And last term. If sum of all numbers in the AP is 120. Sum of all numbers means Sn. Okay. Sn is equal to 120. It has been given. How many terms are there? What is the common difference? You have to find n and you have to find d. Now see students, always use the information which has been given. Tn is given and Sn is given. We have formulas for both. So make use of it. We have written Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute. Tn is how much? 45. 45 is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into D. Now this 5, when it is shifted to your left hand side, it becomes plus 5. So 45 plus 5 is 50, which is equal to n minus 1 into D. So what we got? N minus 1 into D is equal to 50. That is your first equation. Now use formula for Sn. Sn is n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now Sn value is itself given 120. So 120 is equal to, and we don't know, so I am putting it n as it is, by 2 divide by 2 into a. A is how much? Minus 5. So 2 into minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d. Look here, n minus 1 into d is how much? 50. So for this I am writing 50. So I have written here from 1. Now see, it becomes very easy. All quantities are known, only n is unknown. So we will find n. So this is 120. Shift this 2 over here, it goes in multiplication. So we have 240 over here, which is equal to n in bracket 2 5s are minus 10, because here minus 5 is there, plus 50. 10 minus 50 minus 10 is 40. So you have 240s, n into 40. So what will be n? N will be equal to 240 divided by 40. So 0 0 gone, 4 1s are and 4 6 are 24. So here this is divided. Please show it. 4 1s are and 4 6 are. So n is equal to 6. So first answer you got, n is equal to 6. Alright. Now let's substitute this value of n in equation 1. You have over here 6. 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 50. See, 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 50. 6 minus 1 is 5. So we have 5d equal to 50. Therefore d will be 50 upon 5. Again 5 1s are and 5 10s are. So what is d? We got d as 10. I hope this is clear. Very easy, no? Just go on substituting and make use of what you have got in earlier equation. Alright? Okay, then let's go to the next problem. Now let's go to question number 8. Sum of 1 to n natural numbers is 36. You know that natural numbers start with 1. Alright. So first we will write an AP. So what is AP for natural numbers? Look here, I am writing here AP. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up till n. So this is your AP. So what will be A? Because natural numbers start with 1. So first term, which is equal to A. I always tell this, please concentrate. First term is also called as A. So that is 1. And what is common difference? See, difference between each number. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So for natural numbers, D will be equal to 1. Okay. So sum of 1 to n natural numbers is 36. So Sn, up till here n, Sn is given as 36. Then find the value of n. You have to find value of n. Now see, only one Sn is given. So use the formula for Sn and try it out. See now, Sn is what? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is given as 36. So we are writing it as 36, which is equal to n by 2, 2 into 1, because a is 1, n minus 1, d is also 1. Now 2 over here will go in multiplication. So 36 into 2 will be equal to n. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 into n minus 1 is n minus 1. Alright. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. 36 into 2 is 72. So what we get? 72 is equal to n in bracket n, in bracket n 1 plus n. 72 is equal to n into 1 is n into n is n square. I am shifting 72 over here. Alright. So what we will have? N square plus n minus 72 will be equal to 0. Now this is your quadratic equation. Okay. Now factorize. Tell me two numbers whose product is 72 and whose subtraction is 1. So numbers are 8 and 9. Bigger number will have plus sign. So we have plus 9 and minus 8. So n square plus 9 8 minus 8. N square plus 9n minus 8n minus 72 is equal to 0. These two pair up. You have over here n outside n plus 9 minus 8 outside again n plus 9 equal to 0. So now in this n plus 1 is common, n minus 1 is equal to 0. So either n plus 9 will be 0 or n minus 8 will be 0. So n will be equal to 9 shifted over here minus 9, or n will be equal to 8 shifted over here, it becomes plus 8. But this AP is of natural numbers. So n cannot be negative, isn't it? Because natural numbers cannot be negative. Therefore, minus 9 is not acceptable. Okay? So n is equal to 8. Therefore, n cannot be equal to 9. Alright, because minus 9, sorry. Because natural numbers are never negative and therefore n is equal to 8. We have to find the value of 8, alright. So that's all for today, students. Please write all the problems neatly in your notebook and take down each step. Try to solve on your own and then check your answers with what I have solved. Alright. Thank you.